The New Amsterdam Hospital recently received donations from two entities. More from Sasha Ramsaran.
According to Public Relations Officer of the New Amsterdam Hospital, Michael Itwaru, recently there were two private donations of similar nature that were made to the hospital. Last Friday, overseas-based Guyanese Dr. Royston Albert, formerly of Leeds Village Quarantine, donated a significant quantity of laboratory coats, theatre gowns, patient gowns, scrubs, and other medical gowns to the New Amsterdam Hospital. The items were handed over by sibling of the donor, Carlos Albert, to CEO of the New Amsterdam Hospital, Mr. Colin Bino, who was assisted by Medical Superintendent Dr. Vishalya Sharma and Sister Ramchand. The Albert family has a long association and growing passion for improvements in health in the county of Berbice. Subsequent to this, on Sunday, Hilbert Foster, on behalf of the Rose Hall Town Anniversary Development Organization, presented a quantity of scrubs to the New Amsterdam Hospital. In accepting the donated items, CEO of the New Amsterdam Hospital, Dr. Bino, expressed gratitude for the support given and is pleased that the public and even those in the diaspora recognizes the magnitude of the demand on health care in Guyana and are willing to give back to their country. He noted that the donated items will ensure that healthcare providers given critical services are properly attired for their respective duties, thus improving output. Further, these gestures motivate and assist healthcare providers to be better equipped to help members of the public daily. Mr. Bino has left the door ajar for similar gestures from humanitarians, urging like expressions of support for New Amsterdam Hospital and all other public healthcare institutions across the region. In addition, Health Services Region 6 left a lasting impression at the 11th Annual Berbice Expo and Trade Fair 2015. Thousands of patrons made full use of the services that were offered, and significantly, the blood bank was able to accumulate 40 units of much-needed blood. This year's participation was spearheaded by Director of Health Services Javon Stevens, CEO of the New Amsterdam Hospital Mr. Colin Bino, and Medical Superintendent Ms. Vaishalya Sharma. Sasha Ramsaran reporting for Channel 8 News.
The New Amsterdam Multilateral School, as part of its 40th anniversary activities, visited the National Psychiatric Hospital last Wednesday. Sasha Ramsaran reports.
A few students and staff members of the New Amsterdam Multilateral Secondary School on Wednesday paid a visit to the National Psychiatric Hospital in New Amsterdam. The visit was an activity on the itinerary of activities planned in observance of the school's 40th anniversary, which was observed recently. The school also donated a number of items to the institution. Speaking on behalf of the New Amsterdam Multilateral Secondary School was Ms. Roxanne Ward, who elaborated further on the activity.
I'm Roxanne Ward from the New Amsterdam Multilateral. We are here as part of our 40th anniversary celebrations. Just giving our students exposure to what happens here at the National Psychiatric Hospital, and so they can have an appreciation for proper mental health and ensuring that they keep healthy, having seen what's happening here and having heard what happens here at the National Psychiatric Hospital. So today we're here with some gifts, because when you visit someone, you must take along a gift, and these were put together by students of some forms, Form 5T, 4N, 5WA, and the 6U, that's the sixth form. So we just want to share a bit at this time of our anniversary with the patients of the National Psychiatric Hospital. Brought would be like so powder, bath soap, toilet paper, Colgate, hand soap, bleach. There's clothing as well, and basically that's it. Clothing and a lot of toiletries and cleaning agents. So that's what I brought to them today.
Delivering acknowledgements on behalf of its staff and patients of the National Psychiatric Hospital was Ms. Leela Clark Daniels, who emphasized the importance of donating items to the patients of the institution and assured that the items would be utilized for their intended purpose.
We've been visited by students and teachers of the New Amsterdam Lateral School. We're very grateful for this visit. It shows that there are still persons in the community who cares about our patients. And the patients and the staff of this institution, we'd like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our donors this morning, those who donated the clothing for our patients, also those with the bathroom necessities. These are things that are very much necessary, and we are grateful, particularly at this point in time when we are about to commence our mental health week activities. Our patients will definitely make very good use of these items. Thank you very much.
The psychiatric hospital is currently making preparations for the observance of their mental health activities, which is slated for October 10th, 2015. Sasha Ramsaran reporting for Channel 8 News.